Today we're going to take a quick look at this Kenowa portable monitor. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video, and this is 17.3 inches. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and I got an example video for you where I got it plugged in. So first of all, you do get the monitor itself. Very nice. Once again, 17.3 inches, 1600 by 900, and it does have the VESA mount here on the back, as well as a little kickstand so you can stand this up, which you'll see in the video in just a second. Now, as far as the connections go, you do have the HDMI connection here. You also have USB-C connection, which is how I'll show you in the video, but I also use HDMI. I'll show you that as well. And then you have a headphone, and then you have the power section there where you can turn it on. And then on this side, you do have a USB-A port, so you can power other devices, charge things. So I did charge or power a little dongle with it. I'll show you that. And then you have your menu buttons, brightness buttons, all that kind of stuff, volume inside of here. So it does play audio as well as video. You can see the speakers there on the back. It does come with a USB-C cable, the HDMI cable, and the power supply, along with the user manual. Now, let's take a look at it in action. So once again, this is plugged in with the USB-C cable that was included in the package. Very good video quality. I was pretty impressed. Very easy to set up. It is lightweight, so you can easily put that into your carry-on, your bag, or what have you. So that's what it looks like. Now, this is just want to show you where I did power this up, this little dongle. So if you did have something like a Roku or like this wireless adapter that you needed to plug in or charge another device, you could definitely do that. So if you're looking for a really nice, very large portable monitor for your gaming devices, for your laptop, any of those types of things that you can plug in HDMI, then this is going to work for you. Hope this helps.